Welcome to the Weather Centre on Tuesday, where we can expect a warm day for the majority of the country. We'll see a few isolated thundershowers forming across the interior from the afternoon, with a warm to hot day over the southern part, and that's due to bergwind conditions associated with the coastal low. The coastal low forms ahead of a cold front which will move in on Tuesday night. Ahead of the front, we're also expecting cloudy and cool weather over the western part of South Africa, with quite a bit of prefrontal rainfall, and we're expecting windy conditions over the western half of the country. Our rainfall probability map shows up to a 40% chance of thundershowers and showers from the Northern Cape all the way through to the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga, with a slight possibility of thundershowers extending through to the Eastern Cape coast on Tuesday night. And then you'll see that rainfall associated with the frontal system, with up to an 80% chance of rain in the southwest, with rainfall spreading up the coast as we head into Tuesday night. They say Weather Service have issued a high fire danger warning for Tuesday, and that's with runaway fires possible over the western and southern part of South Africa. They've also issued a gale force wind warning over parts of the northern and western Cape, with northwesterly winds of between 65 and 80 kilometers per hour. It'll be another warm day in the northeast, 27 degrees for Johannesburg, 31 for Mahikeng and Potchefstroom, Polokwane and Bombela at 28, 30 for Bloemfontein and Welkom, in the low 30s for Ladysmith and Pietermaritzburg, with a sizzling hot afternoon for Grahamstown, Bishu and Mthatha, all in the mid-30s. 33 degrees for East London, with the rest of the highs in the upper 20s. A moderate southerly wind is forecast for Port Elizabeth, with a fresh to strong northeasterly wind as we head along the coast, and a 2.5 metre easterly swell along the east coast. We head into the mid-30s for Beaufort West, Graafrenet and Oudtshoorn, but with a cooler day and the chance of rain for Worcester at 23 degrees. Strong to gale force northwesterly winds are expected, especially for Muizenberg and Hermanus, with more of a moderate southerly wind for Plettenberg Bay and Jeffreys Bay, with a 2 metre easterly swell along the south coast, but with more of a northwesterly wind swell as we head along that southwesterly coastline. We're forecasting a high of 35 degrees in Uppington, with a cooler day for Springbok at 18 and a maximum of around 30 for De Aar and Colesberg. Cool as we head towards the coast, with a strong to gale force northwesterly winds for Langebaan and Cape Town. More of a westerly wind for Alexander Bay, with a 2 metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds along the west coast. On Wednesday, we'll see the cooler air pushing through to the central and southern part of South Africa. Rain and cold weather remains in the forecast in the west. We'll see a dry day over the northeastern parts, but with thundershowers from Uppington and Mahikeng all the way through to the KwaZulu-Natal coastline. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Tuesday.